Hal Halayim Yahweh Bahasham Yahushai Bahasham Sharchakadash. Allow for the apostles of Christ that teach well and that rule well, may get worthy and tomorrow, especially they who will be in the word and doctrine of the Messiah, our Lord, my Savior. Let's get back to intensity. Arise ye and depart. Some give variously and depart from what is good death instruction. For this is not your rest, because it is polluted. As polluted is polluted financially, morally is corrupted spiritually. It shall destroy you, even with destruction. Once again, Zechariah 13:8. So here, and it shall come to pass that in the land, saith Messiah, 2 parts of the coffin die, 2/3 from Israel, but 1/3 left therein. It's talking about 1 to Israel, being left therein, being the elect, chosen for first fruits of Israel there, and I'll bring the part to the fire, the first adversity and the first affliction, and find them as if it refined, and try them as cold as tried. They shall call upon my name, and I will hear them. Verse 10. And then the Lord strong tellers to know safe. I will say, this is my power, it's my people. And they should say, Him is my power. Proverbs 18:10. So the name of the Messiah is a strong tower, their tongue is safe. Those names is a strong tower, and there's going to run that tower and be safe. Proverbs 1:33. Once again, for like Israel there. Meaning the first fruits of Israel, meaning they like the first fruits. But whosoever hearken unto me shall live safely, and be covered from evil. Ill times, bad times, compromise, wicked, and the decay. Having had covered by having protection, which is whom I am sure. Psalms 91, verse 1. So here, he, the most high, shall the mighty, which shall wear under the him shadow. He, my refuge, my hiding place, my fortress, my power, and my trust. Surely he through thee is an fowler from his pestilence. He is his feathers, and his wings shall trust, his truth shall be his buckler. As God says in Ephesians 6:10, find brethren, be ye strong, and him shall power his might with discussions. So thou shalt not be afraid to by night, nor the fire by day, past walk in darkness. The destruction, the waste of the noonday. That's for thy sides, meaning look to your side, to your left side, to your right side, and see 1,000 dead by the plagues. These icy missiles coming through the destruction, come through the close lamp of the great, and shall be the head of the church of Israel. And King David upon the throne in the 11, the tribes of Israel became Judah, Levi, and once again, and I'm going to come through. He's going to close the of the nations of Israel. But it's not thee. All the eyes that should be holding were wicked. Everyone that was against us going to be destroyed by pestilence, diseases, plagues. Once again, it says in 2 Kings 16:37, Paul shall not slack. It says, there shall not befall thee. You shall come out dwelling, because it's a hedge protection upon our souls, body, and minds. During these current times of destruction, death, and violence upon the Edomites, the nations who are not part like Israel. For he shall give angel charge over thee, keep thee not ways. They shall break the hands. Let's let this freaking stone. Thou shalt put a lion adder, a young lion, and the giant shall put a foot. Because, meaning we're going to be this beast system, and he was going to hard protection him and shy. Because he is slow upon me, therefore deliver him. So on high, because he in my name, It's very important. Once again, English Palestine 10. Demonstrate the strength to others to save. He should call upon me, and I'll answer him. With my trouble, I'll lure him and honor him. With long life, which shall satisfy my salvation. They should feel like Israel there. That's I can walk with. To a bow, definitely check them to get much more. Once furthermore, Amos 9:11. Here in the day, or technical day, it's fallen. Cause breaches to all conflicts to the nation of Israel. So close them all up. It's going to do this how it shines for us. Thereof, and I raise the ruins and build these old. Meaning, once again, Proverbs 22:6. Let's see in Proverbs 22:6. The scriptures speak from the premier self-explanatory. And to like Israel there, they understand they have Messiah is for us, and for us boys, not for them. Proverbs 22:6. Here, train patrol where he should go when he's young. I had to tell you, train patrol the way to go when you're young. When a young age, it's best to get them. It says in class of 12 and 1. Remember the crazy youth, like while you just come out natural night. Wants to pleasure on them. Once again, so calling out to the youth of Israel there. Proverbs 18:4. What was the sons of my voice until the church of Israel? My voice I'll go to the after to the key. Well, apart from it, once again, Proverbs 22:6. Which I wish should go when he's young and goes old apart from it. Proverbs 8:4 says what? Unto you, O men, do I call, but voice of sons of men, church in Israel, look at Charlotte there. That's all I can work with. Because for us and again, people definitely should be able to create my show. This place is not our rest, once again, time. Our rest is where it can to come. That's all I can work with. Because for us again, people, again, death and destruction, but I'm going to create my show.